Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add sub-pages or navigation drop-downs in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then go to the websites page, and next to the website built using Hostinger website builder that you want to add a drop-down menu on, click on this edit website button. You will arrive in this website builder or editor. Now to create a drop-down menu, it's simple. Just click on pages. You will see a list of the available or the navigation menu that you see here. This one is organized here. And let's say that I want to create or I want to place this about page below sustainability. So drag the about page like this and place it below sustainability, but a little bit to the right, like this. And as you see, automatically the navigation menu updates. And to publish this new drop-down menu, don't forget to update your website from this button. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. And now the about page is below sustainability. And this is how to add sub-pages or create drop-down menus in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.